This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical. This incredibly rugged smartwatch is built to U.S. military standard 810, ensuring durability against thermal, shock, and water damage, with a water rating of 10 atmospheres. Its robust 50mm polymer case is designed for endurance. You will primarily navigate the watch using its 5 physical buttons, which provide reliable control in any environment. The top left button, for instance, often serves as a quick access for the built-in flashlight. A standout feature of your Instinct 2X Solar Tactical is its impressive battery life, thanks to the Power Glass solar charging lens. With just 3 hours of 50,000 lux sunlight exposure each day, you can achieve unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode. Even with GPS activated, the watch offers 60 hours of power, which can extend to 145 hours with consistent solar input. Utilize the Power Manager to fine-tune settings and maximize your watch's operational time, ensuring it keeps pace with your adventures. Your Instinct 2X Solar Tactical is equipped with specialized features for demanding situations. The built-in multi-LED flashlight includes a green light mode, ideal for maintaining night vision. Activate stealth mode to go dark, disabling wireless communications and GPS tracking for operational security. For critical data protection, the kill switch can quickly wipe all user memory. Navigate precisely with multi-band GNSS support and utilize Jumpmaster mode for airborne operations. The dual-position format also displays both Universal Transverse Mercator and Military Grid Reference System coordinates. Beyond its rugged exterior, your Instinct 2X Solar Tactical offers comprehensive health and fitness monitoring. Keep tabs on your well-being with 24/7 wrist-based heart rate, body battery energy levels, and stress tracking. It also monitors your sleep and pulse ox. For fitness enthusiasts, there are many built-in sports apps, from running to strength training. Personalize your watch with custom faces and data fields from the Connect IQ store. Plus, stay connected with smart notifications and enjoy the convenience of Garmin Pay contactless payments right from your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.